So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a call queue and attach it to your phone system. So creating a call queue is a straightforward, simple process. You give a queue a name and you choose your welcome greeting. So this message is actually played when someone enters an extension which is actually assigned to this call queue. And you can upload a custom MP3 file or a WAV file, or you could use our text-to-speech option to give a welcome greeting. The next, after you give a welcome greeting, you need to assign an agent. So VoxDesk is going to automatically pull up all the agents assigned to this account. So you just have to choose from the available agents. And the next is going to give an email address where we would be sending you voicemails in case if the queue was empty or the agents were not available to answer the calls. The strategy is something that you could choose among the round robin, ring all, least recent, fewest calls, and random. All these are self-explanatory. You can also enable your own custom music on hold or choose one of our default music on holds here. Option, you can record the calls. We have a timeout which will tell the system how many seconds it has to ring an agent before it goes to the second one or before it actually takes a caller to the voicemail, if in case the agent is not responding. We also have a call script which you could actually show to an agent when a call comes in for this call queue. For this option, an agent needs to have the control panel enabled. And we also have call dispositions, again a part of the control panel, where where your agent could choose among these possible dispositions. So we have the default ones for which you could actually add and delete. The next interesting component is the tabs. So this is more like a comma separated tabs, which can be customized for your account based upon the CRM that you're using, or if you're using some kind of if you want to customize the screen using your custom backend information, you could give a URL which will actually be shown as a tab. So what it does essentially is it generates a tab on the screen when a call comes in to the agent based upon the caller ID. So as you can see in this case, I'm using Wolfram Alpha, and I'm sending the caller ID. So when a call comes to an agent, as we're going to see in few minutes, VoxDesk is actually going to create a tab with this passing the call ID as a parameter, and it's going to pull up the tab onto the agent screen. So with that said, the creating a call queue is straightforward process. So once you create a call queue, just make sure you go back to your extensions, and when you're adding an extension from the drop down, get to choose the call queues. So when someone dials this extension 2, and this if actually assign it to the sales, they're going to be taken on to the sales queue. So as you can see here, it shows me all the users that are actually associated with this with the sales queues. So once you're done with the sales, once you're done creating a call queue, you can look at the stats anytime, the reports. So for example, I'm going to bring up the stats for this support. So as you can see, it actually gives me a real-time overview of how many calls I have taken. In this scenario, we have agent, where he's actually answering the call. Not in use means that he has actually logged into the call queue, but he's not active on a call currently. We also give durations, reporting the whole time, how many calls have been abandoned, the wait period, completed, and what's the strategy for this. As an admin, you can also log out an agent from the call queue, so you just make sure you use this option when it's really required, as it's going to keep him logged into a different department, and it's just going to log him out only from this call queue department. So we also have calls on hold. If there's actually currently a call coming in which is actually trying to ring to an agent, or if all the agents are busy, it's actually going to show all the active calls here. It's also going to show all the calls which are connected, the real-time the calls which agents are actually active. So it's going to be showing here. We'll come back to the screen after we look at the agent's control panel.